Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Uppercase letter A. A for alligator. B for bat ball. C for cow. D for doll. E for elephant. F for frog. D for grapes. H for horse. Number 0. 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Let's paint. Purple color. A for alligator. B for ball. C for cow. D for donut. Light pink color. E for elephant. F for frog. G for glasses. H for house. Green color. Number 0. Number 1. Two. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. L for lamb. M for moon. N for necklace. O for octopus. P for princess. Q for queen. And number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's paint. Green color. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kangaroo. L for lamb. M for moon. Yellow color. N for necklace. O for octopus. P for princess. And Q for queen. Red color. Number 6, 7, number 8, 9, and number 10. Let's repeat. I J K L M N O P Q. Number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for train. U for unicorn. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Number 11. 12. 13. 14. And 15. Let's paint. Purple color. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vase. Yellow color. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. and Z for zebra. Red color, number 11. 12.
Amazing art. 1, 2, 3, let's go. A, B,
13.
count the rhythm and 1, 2, 3. We're singing all together. A, B, C. Count the rhythm and 1, 2,
14.
3. We're singing all together.
And 15.
A, B, C. Count the rhythm and 1, 2, 3. We're singing all together. A, B, C. Count the rhythm and 1, 2, 3.
Let's learn with me. R S T U V W X Y and Z. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I'll meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.